Department of Veterans Affairs and the Ad Council.
KSFO's Dan Bongino.
Folks, the fentanyl thing has me terrified. We're being poisoned. And who's doing it? China. Where's it coming in? A southern border. What's Biden doing?
What? Bongino, 9 to noon on your radio and smart speaker at 560 KSFO.
Yellow Brick Road?
Yeah, great song.
What's your favorite Elton John song?
Changes day to day, but I will actually answer this question because you'll yell at me if I don't.
Is it The Lion King?
Yes.
Saturday Night's All Right for Fighting.
Yeah, it's pretty hard to beat that one. You're right.
Although I freaking love the bitch is back.
I'm a Levon guy. I think Levon is just an awesome tune.
Fantastic.
Oh my God, that's a good
I'd also like to
all
nominate.
coming up.
I'd also like to nominate "Don't Let the Sun Go Down on Me," which is a great song.
Yeah, I used to play that way too much when I was a disc jockey late at night, and I knew nobody was listening, so I could play whatever I wanted. They spun it all the time. Most pleasing sounds, most irritating sounds. So I can tell you what they are, and then the top three we've got the actual sounds. Sounds people